every trader I've ever met goes through. Some of them pass through stages very quickly, and some of them get stuck in phases. But every single trader at one point or another goes through each one of these stages. And what I want you to do is I want you to listen and pay attention, and I want you to see if you identify and kind of try and apply this to your own life. Okay, when was I that, or where am I at currently in my own trading? But the first stage is what we call unconscious incompetence. And it is the I don't know, you don't know what you don't know. And typically this happens when you are first coming into the market, you're brand spanking new, you are, you don't know anything, and all you know is that this trading thing looks pretty cool, and so you open up an account and you start trading. And things go very, very well, right? Like, this is easy. I got 50% of the time. I got a 50-50 shot. And heck, man, I'm buying and selling. I'm making things happen. And my little fake account that I've got went from $5,000 to $25,000. I am pretty doggone stinking good. I don't know what these guys talk about. This trading thing is not hard at all. All you got to do is be a genius, which obviously I am, because look at what I did. So what's the next thing that you do? Open up a live account, right? Get the live money going. There's no reason. This is fake money. I could have been, and all you're just kicking yourself because you spent all that time turning 5,000 fake dollars into 25,000 real dollars, and you thought in fake dollars, and you thought, man, I could have turned 5,000 into 25,000 real money. And after about 2 weeks of doing fake money, you're already thinking about when you're going to be quitting your job. You're already thinking about how you're going to walk into your boss's office, tip over his desk, curse at his dog, and walk out of there to make your millions as a professional trader. And so you open up your live account and you start trading, and things go really, really good. That $5,000 becomes $6,000 or $7,000, and you say, yes, I am the magic man, right? I've been gifted. God has blessed my life with a unique skill, the skill to intuitively know what the market is going to do. I am the golden boy. Then what happens? Then we enter phase 2, conscious incompetence. You know you don't know, and boy, is that scary, right? And unconscious incompetence is that point at which you take that $5,000, you run it up to $10,000 or $15,000 over the course of a couple of months, and you feel really good, and in the matter of about 2 hours, you wipe out your entire account because you don't understand anything about leverage, you don't understand anything about risk, you don't understand anything about money management, you don't understand anything about, anything. You literally know nothing, and it becomes painfully apparent to you at that point in time you really know nothing. So being the good student that you are, knowing that you're not some sort of hack, that obviously there must just be a piece of the puzzle that you don't yet have, and if you just find that magic nugget that will solve your problems, that now you'll be able to go out and you'll be able to do all of the things that you thought you would, that you should have been able to do already. And you'll get back to where you were because you know that it's possible that you were there. You just got to get back to that. And so you start buying books and attending seminars and webinars. You go out and you're working really hard trying to figure this out. You're Googling things and you're reading things on that. And you say to yourself, you go and you hit the chat forums and you're talking with people on there, and you're learning all of this new stuff and you're trying different techniques, but none of it is really kicking. You make a little bit of money and then you lose it all again. And you recognize that there's something you're not getting. But dadgum, if you cannot lay a finger on it. And the more things you learn, the more confused you get, the more questions you have, the more now you start to question, well, was what I learned before really correct, or was, am I, have I been fed a bunch of nonsense? What do I trust? Who do I go to? And how do I know that what I'm learning is actually really what I should be learning? Conscious incompetence. This, ladies and